Yesterday, I went and I got my hair washed, deep conditioned, and braided. So I posted that on TikTok, and I have to get my hair braided because I have some wigs that I need to put on. This is from UNICE. This is what she looks like. The 7x5 bye-bye lace wig. I don't know what texture this is, but it's 20, does it say waterway? This is what she looks like. It has little spirals at the end, but why aren't the spirals down here, UNICE? Like, why is it only right here and not down here? She looks like straight out the pack. She smells good. Cap construction. These are ready to wear units. Comes plucked. The knots are bleached, ready to throw on. But for me, I'm probably gonna go in and pluck it a little bit more. Also comes with a wig cap and an elastic band. Okay, you guys, so to start off this tutorial, I'm gonna take some of this Ruby Kisses and I'm going to put it all over my wig cap, just so it could blend in when it's underneath the wig. I don't want to do the ball cap method, only like I said in numerous of other videos. I don't want to put that much stress on my edges, so I am going to go in and pluck the hairline a little bit more, just to make sure that it just looks that it's not too full. I don't want to over pluck it. I just want to pluck it enough, only because I am going to give myself a widow's peak and I want it to look as natural as possible. So I do that to both sides, and once that's done, I'm gonna take my wax stick and I'm going to put some on the hair. Now I'm not like heavily swiping the wax stick on it. I'm just kind of like tapping it. I don't want too much products because I don't want my wig or the front of my hairline to be super oily. And after I do that, I am going to go in with my pressing comb and just make sure all the hair in the front is pushed back and it's neat for installation. So this wig was super full, like ridiculously full, and I was excited about that. And as you can see me putting it on, it looks really good. The lace is a bit ashy, but that's okay. That's normal, especially if you're on the darker complexion. All right, all you have to do is take that same makeup and put it across the lace lightly. Don't heavily put it on there because you will be able to see it, okay? But you're gonna see lace regardless because lace shows. So I'm gonna go ahead and part out at like a crescent, just so I could get my widow's peak. I like to do that on me because, like, I don't know, I just find it hard doing it when it's on the mannequin head. I need to see where it's actually sitting, where the wig is going to be actually sitting on my head when I do this. So I'll take that, I'll pull the hair to the front, and then I'm going to take a razor and cut it off. It's not going to look like too much as of right now, but when I press this back and melt it down, it's going to come alive, I promise you. So to adhere this down, I'm going to use my adhesive spray, and I'm going to spray this down. I'm going to blow dry it until it gets tacky, and then I'm going to lay the lace down until it's fully dry. And then I am also going to go in with some bolt hold. I do have a coupon code for bolt hold. It's linked down below in the description box for you guys if you want some money off. Make sure to use that coupon code, okay? Now, you don't have to use that. That is up to you. And I'm going to put a little bit of the bow hold on the edge of the hairline because I like to make sure that the front of my hairline looks melted. Like, I like adhesive sprays, but it does not give the same melt like a glue does, okay? And I don't like my wig flapping, so again, I like to use the glue. I'm going to press the rest of my hairline back, and then I'm going to go take some spritz, and I'm going to spray that on the edge of the lace to melt it because that's the product that I'm going to use to do the melting method. And I'm going to take the elastic band and let it dry down for about 20 minutes. So let's style the hair. I'm going to use this mousse from Cantu. I would like to put that all over the hair. I am saturating it, which you aren't going to see me do. I am also going to put water in it. So you are going to see the wig go from poofy to saturated, and it's saturated because there is water in there as well. And I like to do that to just make sure all the curls are popping, and you know that there's no lumps or bumps in this wig at all. So I am very generous when it comes to the mousse, and I like to comb it through. And while detangling this wig to put the mousse in, I did get some shedding, nothing alarming, just want to be honest and truthful to let you guys know what I did see. And so after 20 minutes, this is what my hairline is looking like. She's looking really good and natural, okay? So I was trying to contemplate if I wanted some baby hairs, but I just felt like if I was doing a hairline like this, I didn't need any baby hairs, so I opted out of that. So I did also want to go back in and put those little spiral ringlets back into the wig. So I am doing finger coils throughout this wig for me to have that look again, because I did actually like how the ringlets looked in the beginning of this video. So I'm just gonna go back in with some mousse, put some mousse in my fingers, on my hands, and just ringlet the pieces of hair. And I just did that all throughout the entire wig. And after that, I'm gonna just take a little bit more mousse, put that at the top of my hair, make sure that everything is laying down. I'm gonna also take a little bit of Spritz or Got to Be's hairspray, and I am going to just mold the front of my hair down, just to lay it down flat. Like, I just like it to be super neat. And that is basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this is from Amazon. You guys really do sleep on Amazon, and it's not about how much you spend on the wig. It's about how you take care of it. And yes, you can get a bad batch of hair, but just take care of it. Use your silicone mix. Don't mistreat it, okay? It will last you some time, all right? And yeah, so Amazon is for a good time, not a long time. She's here to make you look cute and not to hurt your bank, all right? And until next time, bye, best friends.